Conqueror, Maria Circulación, coming closer and then make my day. Apo Express, now moving up the big third, only Nitro and Beba, but it's still Conqueror, Circulación, Apo Express, now coming closer and third, as they come down to the last one, baby, Conqueror, Circulación, moving up Maria Circulación, Apo Express, Conqueror still in front, followed now by Apo Express on the outside. Conqueror, Apo Express is on the outside. And in the finish line, it's Conqueror. Apo Express also received to Licensio and goes only Nitro to June.